Thank you for purchasing my book. My name is Miss Lynette, and here we are. We have the Basic Math Abacus for Adults, Addition and Subtraction. Here is a little flip through of what the book looks like, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through step by step in this book. In the beginning of the book, please put your name here. This is the Introduction to Abacus for Adults. This is how you read the abacus. We have the frame. This is the frame of the abacus. Here is the horizontal bar. That is this thing right here. This will tell us whether or not the numbers are being tracked. The beads are being tracked. Anytime the beads are touching the horizontal bar, it's considered counted. So in this example, it says 2. That's what 2 would look like. Now the reason why I'm over here is because I have a dot. That dot tells me that this is the ones place. So as we're looking, we have our columns. Column, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. We're going to get into that in a little bit. But understand that anytime the beads are touching the horizontal bar, it's considered counted. This is 0, 0, looks like that. We have 1, 1 on the abacus. We're going to color it in. I'm going to color it in. I'm going to color it in red. And then we have 2. That's what 2 looks like. 2 on the abacus. And then color in the beads. And then this is 3. 3 on the abacus. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 on the abacus. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 4 on the abacus looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what 4 looks like on the abacus. And then we have 5. Is always going to be the top bead. That's what 5 looks like. So we have 5. When the beads are touching the horizontal bar, it's considered counted. Notice that none of the bottom beads is touching the horizontal bar. So that's why this is 0, and then this is 5. But now we can decompose. We have 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we can decompose just like that. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we're going to color it in. 5 plus 1. And then we have 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And then we have 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, and then the 5. We have our final one, which is 9. You're going to notice we only go up to 9, because anything after that is just redundant. So this is what 9 looks like. We have 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. That's what 9 looks like. Now, if we break it up, we can do with coins. You've seen that before, where I talk about how 1 on the abacus, 1 penny. 2 pennies, 2 on the abacus. 3 pennies, 3 on the abacus. 4 pennies, 4 on the abacus. And then we have 5. 5 will always be the top bead. That's what 5 looks like. And then we have 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then we have 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We have 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's what 8 looks like. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then plus the 5 is equal to 9. And then you might be wondering what 10 is. Well, remember, 10 is a 1 and a 0. So the next page here, the 10 is 1 and a 0. And when we have 11, 11 is 1 and 1. And then 12, 1 and 2. So now we're on page 6. But let's go back. Page 4. Here's the picture of the abacus. Here is my abacus. Circle the column. So this would be my ones place. So we have 0. That's what 0 looks like. We have 1. Circle the ones place, right? So that's what 1 looks like. And then this is the tally marks. Write the tally marks. So that's what 1 is. We have 2. Circle the column. And then we have 2 tally marks. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I try to make this book as interactive as possible. We have 3. Circle the column. And then do 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 4. 4 on the abacus. That's 4 on the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now when we're looking at it, make sure when you add the 4, you use your thumb. You go 4, thumb up. If we have 3, I zero it out and I want to do 3, you want to do 3, thumb up. If I have 2, we go 2, thumb up. And then 1, when I clear it, we do 1, thumb up. And then 0 just means that there's none of the beads touching the horizontal bar. 5, we circle the column. This is the ones place. We have our tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have the top bead as a value of 5. You use your finger down, like that. So what we're doing is we're trying to promote muscle memory. Once you get more into it, you're going to start seeing that your fingers are going to follow it. So we have 5 on the abacus. 5 is the top bead, and you bring it down. And then we have 6, like that. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then we have 7. So when we do 6, circle the ones place in our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. When you do 6, pinch. It's a pinching thing. You pinch together like that. Okay? So when we're doing it and you zero it out, just either push the beads out or you have a reset button. But I have a reset button. So when you pinch, you want to bring it together at the same time. So we're going to zero it out and we do 7. Again, circle the ones place, have my tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can count on 5, 6, 7. But we don't want to count 5, 6, 7. What we want to do is we want to pinch it together like that. So this is what 7 is. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We're going to know this. We have pinch it together like that. Okay? And then we have 8. Same thing. Zero it out. And when we do 8, it looks like this. So again, circle the column and then write your tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we do it on the abacus, you bring it together at the same time. You pinch it, just like that. That's what you do. And then we have 9. 9 is the same, right? Now you're starting to see a pattern, and now you're going to notice that there's a pattern and a rhythm to everything. The abacus will show you the pattern. So we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring it together at the same time, like this. So when you're looking at 9 and you want to add it, you'd bring it together like that. And that's it. So this is where we count from 1 to 100. I start with 1, and I would color it in, every one of them. You go all the way to 100. It's a little relaxing. I'll start off with the first set. So notice we only need to color in the ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, again, is always going to be the top bead. And then we have 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and then 7. We have 8, right? So we have 6, 7, 8. And then we have 9. 9 looks like that. 10, you'll notice that 10 looks like 1 and a 0. So we have our 1 and our 0. So go ahead and finish the rest of this. You're going to start noticing a pattern. This is the ones. You'll see that the 10s is over here. 1, 10 is being shown. So if we do 20, 20 looks like that. 2 and a 0. That's what 20 looks like. And then we could do 30, 3 and a 0, and then 40, 4 and a 0. We have 50, 5 and a 0, and then 60. 6 and a 0. And it goes all the way to 100. 100. That is the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo, kangaroo!